Hi, welcome to Speak Clearly Coach. Today we're going to talk about daily routines, the everyday things we all do, like waking up, going to work, and relaxing in the evening. This episode is perfect for practicing your English listening skills and learning how to talk about your day in a natural way. So, find a quiet place, get comfortable, and let's get started. So, let me tell you about my usual day. I usually wake up around 7 a.m., my alarm rings, and like most people, I hit snooze once or twice. But eventually, I wake up, stretch, and get out of bed. The first thing I do is brush my teeth. I like to feel fresh in the morning. Then I take a shower, sometimes quick, sometimes longer if I have time. After that, I get dressed. If I'm staying home, I wear something casual. If I have meetings or work outside, I dress up a bit more. Then I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I usually keep it simple, maybe some toast, eggs, and always coffee. Coffee is a must for me in the morning. Do you drink coffee or tea to start your day? After breakfast, it's time to start work. I usually work from home, so I go to my desk, open my laptop, and begin around 9 a.m. First, I check emails. Then I look at my to-do list and start with the most important tasks. Around noon, I take a break to have lunch. Nothing fancy. Maybe a sandwich, some rice and vegetables, or soup. If the weather is nice, I like to eat outside or go for a short walk. In the afternoon, I finish my work. I try to stop by 5 p.m., but sometimes I work a little longer if I'm busy. After that, I relax a bit. Maybe I listen to music, scroll on my phone, or take another walk. In the evening, I cook dinner. I enjoy making something tasty. Pasta, stir-fry, salad, whatever I feel like. I put on some music and just enjoy the cooking process. After dinner, I like to relax. I might watch a TV show or a movie. Sometimes I read a book or talk to friends online. It's my time to slow down. Then around 10 or 11 p.m., I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and drink some water or tea. Finally, I go to bed and try to sleep around 11:30. And that's my normal daily routine. Of course, not every day is the same. Some days I wake up late, skip breakfast, or go out with friends. But overall, this routine keeps me healthy and focused. Now think about your daily routine. What do you do in the morning? When do you start work or school? What do you do to relax in the evening? Try saying your answers out loud. It's great practice. If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a like and leave a comment below. Tell me, did this help your English listening? What topic would you like to hear next? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is Speak Clearly Coach, where we help you improve your English, one day, one word, one episode at a time. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.